Do you have a sweet tooth? That little chocolate bar, that soda can, or that just one spoon of sugar in tea feels harmless, right? But here's the shocking truth. Sugar isn't just empty calories. It's slowly changing your body in ways you never imagined. And today, I'll reveal the dark side of sugar that could save you years of health problems. Stay till the end, because the last effect is something most doctors don't warn you about until it's too late. 1. Sugar hijacks your energy. Have you ever felt super energetic after eating sweets only to crash an hour later? That's the sugar trap. It spikes your blood sugar, giving you a quick high, and then crashes you down, leaving you tired, cranky, and craving more sugar. It's like riding a roller coaster that never stops. Fix. Replace sodas and candies with fruits or honey. They release energy more slowly, keeping you stable. 2. Sugar ages your skin. This one will shock you. Sugar attaches itself to proteins in your skin, breaking down collagen and elastin, the very things that keep your skin smooth and youthful. Too much sugar literally makes you look older, faster. Fix. Drink more water and eat foods rich in antioxidants like berries, nuts, and green tea. They fight back against sugar damage. 3. Sugar weakens your immune system. Here's something most people don't know. After just one sugary drink, your immune system's ability to fight bacteria drops for hours. That means sugar makes you more vulnerable to infections. Imagine this. Every time you grab that soda, you're lowering your body's defense system. Fix. Limit added sugar to less than 6 teaspoons a day. Read food labels. You'll be surprised how much sugar hides in ketchup, bread, and even so-called healthy snacks. 4. Sugar tricks your brain. Sugar lights up the same reward centers in the brain as addictive substances. That's why you crave it more and more. Over time, this sugar addiction makes you eat even when you're not hungry, leading to weight gain and even type 2 diabetes. Fix. Break the cycle slowly. Start by cutting one sugary drink a day. Your cravings will shrink as your body resets. 5. Sugar increases risk of heart disease. Here's the darkest side. Sugar doesn't just cause obesity, it silently damages your heart. High sugar intake raises blood pressure, increases harmful fats in the blood, and clogs your arteries. In fact, research shows sugar can be more dangerous to the heart than salt. Fix. Replace sugary desserts with natural sweet alternatives like dates, figs, or dark chocolate in moderation. Conclusion. Sugar may look innocent, but behind the sweetness hides danger. It steals your energy, ages your skin, weakens immunity, tricks your brain, and even hurts your heart.